Hey there, fellow gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we've got something special for all you keyboard aficionados out there. The DURGOD and OLLYN TGK021 mechanical gaming keyboard. It's a feature-packed keyboard that promises to elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level. Let's dive in. Let's start by introducing you to the DURGOD and OLLYN TGK021 mechanical gaming keyboard. It's designed with precision and packed with features that gamers and tech enthusiasts will appreciate. From the latest Kyle Turbo Red switches to durable PBT keycaps, this keyboard means business. The heart of any mechanical keyboard lies in its switches, and the TGK021 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with professional Kyle Turbo Gaming Red switches, providing a clear sense of pressure similar to black switches while retaining that smooth and comfortable tapping experience of red switches. Whether you're typing or gaming, these switches have got you covered. But that's not all. The keycaps on this keyboard are made from high-quality PBT material. Unlike standard ABS keycaps, PBT keycaps are more durable, resistant to wear and tear, and offer a comfortable tactile feel with each press. No more worrying about keycap wear and shine. Let's talk aesthetics. The TGK021 boasts a full keys RGB cool backlit effect with a staggering 16.8 million color options. You can switch between various lighting modes to create the ultimate gaming atmosphere that suits your style. The RGB border light belt adds a touch of elegance to the keyboard. Comfort is key during those long gaming sessions, and this keyboard takes care of that too. It comes with a high-quality RGB magnetic palm rest that not only adds to the keyboard's aesthetics but also provides excellent support for your wrists. Say goodbye to fatigue after those extended gaming marathons. One standout feature of this keyboard is its full-key hot swappable design. You can easily change out switches to customize your typing or gaming experience. With 104 non-conflict keys, you'll enjoy a seamless and precise gaming performance. The TGK021 offers a versatile and convenient setup. It's connected via USB 2.0 and features a durable 1.6-meter woven PVC cable for faster transmission. Plus, it's compatible with multiple operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Android. You can even switch between them with ease using FN key combinations. And here's the icing on the cake. The TGK021 comes with a 2-year warranty. That's peace of mind knowing that you've invested in a quality product backed by excellent customer support. So, there you have it, folks, the DURGOD and OLLYN TGK021 mechanical gaming keyboard, a powerhouse of features, durability, and customization. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a tech enthusiast, this keyboard is designed to enhance your experience. If you're as excited as we are about this keyboard, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of awesome tech like this. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy gaming, everyone!